Okay, now once we're in, this is a very important point here. When you create your account, depending on whether or not you've had an account before, you could log in and it looks like the regular Zapier. We don't want that. Make sure you are at central.zapier.com once you create your account because it's a completely different interface. So, yes, it's the same company, it's Zapier, but if you log in and it looks like the regular Zapier, you're in the wrong place. So you want to be in central.zapier.com. Yes, it's the same company, but this is a completely different concept where we're talking about AI agents. So make sure your screen looks like this, where it's kind of looks like GPTs, if you're familiar with that, or it's kind of looks like Chat GPT in a sense. All right. Again, GPTs on steroids mixed with Zapier brings us this, but it needs to look like this screen. If you're seeing this, the regular Zapier screen, you're on the wrong screen. So that's a super point, super important point. And then on the next videos, we're going to start getting into the nuts and bolts of this.
And yeah, so we're just mentioning this right now because we had the same issue. Like we were super excited about getting started with Zapier Central, and then we logged into our Zapier account and we didn't find it. So that's when we realized that we need to go to central.zapier.com, even if we already have an existing Zapier account. Like this is really important. Otherwise, you won't find what we're showing you here. So yeah, just central.zapier.com and let's get started.